Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Modem Router, back again with another video. And in today's video we are going to be finally removing the Christmas lights off of the R7. As you guys know, for Christmas, I put these on for Christmas, and now we are going to be removing them because it's already past Christmas. It's now the new year. And I heard from a couple of people online on the forums that these command strips that are on here may damage the paint on the fairings. So that's what we are going to see today and remove these and see if it actually did damage the fairings or not. If it didn't, perfect. If it did, oh well, we learned a lesson, and I do plan to replace these in the near future anyway. Some red carbon fiber ones from Monster Fairing. So either or, we'll see what happens with this, and we'll just remove these right now, and it is a quick little video. Alright, so as you guys might remember, we installed the lights using these command hooks. So what we're going to first have to do is remove every single one from the hook, do that, and then remove the command hooks themselves one by one. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll see if it actually did damage the paint. Alright, so there's those lights, 2 rolls of 25 feet each. So now I'm going to put those to the side. Those are going to be held off for next year if they are still around till then. If not, we'll pick up some more and we'll do something else and more fun, and probably get more footage of this next year on the bike as well. This year I wasn't able to do much because, well, it was a lot of rain and I got busy with work. So now the moment of truth is on the command strips, there are these little tabs that you pull off as well with them, and supposedly that doesn't damage the paint. It's cold out, so we're going to have to see what happens. Doesn't seem like it did. Doesn't seem like it damaged the paint, the first one. So I'm going to do that all around, get these off, and then we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I removed all of the command hooks, and from the looks of it, it didn't damage the paint at all. The bike does need a wash, but from the command strips themselves, it seems like there's no damage to the paint at all. So I don't know why people said it damages your paint, but for me it didn't damage it. It did not damage the paint at all. Alright, so now we proved it, that the command strips don't damage your fairings at all. Maybe it's because it's a sport bike, it's an R7, maybe because these fairings are plastic, it didn't damage them. But for the most part, bike looks brand new still. So with that being said, the bike is prepared now to be back on the road in the upcoming month. It's still January. It is a bit cold. It is a bit cold outside, but nonetheless, I ride year round. This year, for some reason, in December, I didn't ride around as much as I had planned to, and the insurance on this expired. So I am renewing that first, and then we'll be back on the road for 2026. Alright guys, so with that being said, thankfully we did not damage the paint on the R7. That is a huge relief, and now we can get back on the bike, back on the road, and start off bike season early again. This year I feel like it is not going to snow. It did snow a bit last night, but it did melt away. So I'm pretty sure it is just going to be cold in the negatives, and that's about it. We'll just stay warm and we'll just ride around. We'll have some fun. And the bike of course needs some maintenance. It's been a while since we've done it, so there's that. But now we have the bike, and we also have Casper as well. It's gonna be some fun stuff on the page now, and we have a manual car and we have a sport bike. So we're gonna do a lot. The E46 on sale. I have a buyer coming over this weekend, and it might be gone within a few weeks. It is a person that we know, so they might be taking it over. But we'll see. We need more space now, so F-150, E46, they're up for sale. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Alright, so with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Also, you see this back here? We have a little sneak peek. This is a teaser on something for Casper. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Alright, it's your boy Jay, signing out. Catch you all in the next one.